children, welcome to another class of computer lesson. So today we are going to learn a new chapter. So the chapter name is Fun with the Microsoft Office Word. So this is our new chapter. What is its name? Fun with the Microsoft Office Word. So have you heard about the application named Word? Have you heard? Yes. So we can call it as MS Office Word. What is that? MS Office Word. Simply we can say that Word application. Simply we can say Word. W-O-R-D. Word. Yes, we know we need to write notes in our notebook. For what purpose? To save the notes and to see it any later time. Right? So similarly, if you want to save any documents or any notes in your computer, then we used this application to write text content. To write text. So what is the purpose of Word application? First one, we can write text. We can write, we can type. We can type text. Yes. So what do you mean by text? Text means it is the typed matter. So what do you mean by text? Text is the typed matter. So here T-E-X-T, text, which is the typed matter. Text is the typed matter. Text is the typed matter. So first one, we can type text. Then any other uses? Yes, we can insert pictures. So second use, we can insert pictures. We can insert I-N-S-E-R-T, insert what? Pictures or images. P-I-C-T-U-R-E-S, pictures. So first one, we can type text. Text means it is the typed matter. Then simply we will explain later. So here, look here, what are the main uses of a word? First one, we can type text. That means text is the typed matter. Second one, we can insert pictures. Then any other uses? Yes, we can insert tables. Yes, we can insert tables. We can insert tables. Insert I-N-S-E-R-T. How it spells? Insert. Insert tables. T-A-B-L-E-S. Insert tables. So these are the main uses of Word document. We can also have many other uses. So just remember main 3 points in Word. Then what do you mean by text? What are the contents present in a text? Text means simply it is the combination or a group of characters and it does not include any picture. Such type document we can call it as a text. So what is text? Text means here text is the typed matter. Typed matter means we can type letters, numbers, alphabets, symbols, special symbols, operators. We can type. So that is text is the typed matter and which does not include any pictures. That means text is the typing matter without picture. Typing without pictures. Without pictures. That is text. Typing without pictures is known as text. Then next, what is the need for typing? So next topic is what is the need for typing? Need we know we need to write our notebooks in our, we need to write our notes in our notebook. Yes, you have an English book to write English notes, and you have a computer book for writing computer notes. Similarly, so now tell me what is the name for typing. So first one, a student has to type essays, short stories, notes about a particular topic, like for example solar system, water cycle, environmental pollution. These are the some topics. So we can type the information or the essay, short stories or any notes related to that topic into our computer by or using keyboard. So that the first use, student has to type essays, short stories, information, etc. on a particular topic and into the computer. Example, solar system, water cycle, environmental pollution, etc. So what is the first point? Student has to type what? Essays, stories, etc. So need for typing, first one, student has to type. First need, student has to type, students has to type, has, H-A-S has, to, T-O, type, essays, E-S-S-A-Y-S, essays, then next step, stories on a topic, example solar system, topic example solar system, water cycle, etc. So first one, students has to type essays, stories on a topic. So that is the first need. Then second one, a person in office has to type letters. So in our previous class we have already learned what is the use of typing in office. So a person in office has to type letters. Official letter means formal letters. That is, a person in office to type letters. So second need, a person in office, a person in office has to type letters, has to type letters. So here first one, type essays, stories on a particular topic. Second need, type letters. Third one, what is the third need? A teacher can type the list of names of the students. So that is the third one. A teacher types list of name of students. List of name of students. So third one, a teacher types, T-Y-P-E-S, types names of students. Names of students. Teacher type names of students. Okay. Then fourth one, a librarian types list of books in the library. So what is the fourth one? Librarian. A librarian types list of books in a library. Librarian types list of books. List of books in library. Then next, etc. So these are the main needs for typing. So can you give some examples for the need of typing? First one, student has to type essays, stories on a topic. Example, solar system. Second one, a person in office has to type letters. So that is the second use. Third one, a teacher types name of students. Then fourth one, librarian types list of books. So the question here is, what is the need for typing? So you have to answer that. These 4 points. First one, student has to type essay stories on a particular topic. Second one, teacher types name of the students. Third one, a person in office has to type letters. And the fourth one, librarian types list of books in the library. Okay, the next question, what is text? Text means the typed matter which does not include pictures. So what is text? Text means it is the typed matter which does not include pictures. Then next a quick quiz. Which company owns Microsoft Office Word? So the next question. So the question, which company owns Microsoft Office Word? Owns Microsoft Office Word. Microsoft Office Word. Which company? The company named Microsoft. M-I-C-R-O-S-O-F-T. Microsoft. So which company owns Microsoft Office Word? Microsoft company. Then, so let's study about Microsoft Office Word. Yes. So now Word is an application. Word is an application. So do you know application? For example, WhatsApp is an application. TikTok is an application. Means it's an application. So here Word is an application. We know each application has its own purposes or its own uses. So why we use the Word application? So that means there is a use for Word. So let's see what is the use or what is the purpose of using Word application. And Word means it is a most popular typing program. So what is Word? Word is the most popular typing application or typing program. Word is the most popular typing program used all over the world. And it has many features which make your typing work easy and more versatile. So first one, Word is a most popular typing program. So here what is Word? Word is a most popular, P-O-P-U-L-A-R, most popular typing, T-Y-P-I-N-G, typing program, P-R-O-G-R-A-M. So what is Word? Word means it is an application and it is a most popular typing program. So what is Word? Word is a most popular typing program. What is a most popular typing program? Then this word has many features. Word has many features. Word has, it has, many, M-A-N-Y, many features. It has many features that make your typing work. Many features that makes your typing work easy. That makes your typing work easy. Your typing work easy. Yes. So once again, Word is the most popular typing program. That's the first point. So simply, what is a Word? Word is the most popular typing program. Then it has many features. So we have to learn about these features. So we can learn it. We will learn it next episode. So here it has many features and that makes our typing work easy. That makes our typing work easy. Then, so let's think about what are the features or what a word can do. What a word application can do. So first one, we can apply any attractive style of typing. So what is the first use? We can apply any attractive style of typing. For example, we can type a word computer in this way. We can write in italics. We can write the letters in bold. Bold means thick letters. We can write letters underline, etc. That means it has many features. So we can apply any attractive style. And this attractive style we can say font. What is its name? Font. F-O-N-T. Font. What is its name? Font. So first point, what a word can do. That's the first point. We can apply attractive style of text or attractive style of typing. We can make any attractive font for typing text. Attractive font of typing. Attractive font of typing. Then second, so here look here, page number 72. We can write computer in different ways. Here the first computer black in color, the second word computer in red in color, and third one blue in color, fourth one orange in color, and fifth one green in color, right? And look at the different styles. Means first there is a font, second another font, third one like italic font. So these are different font. So these are the main features in Word. So first one, apply any attractive style for typing text. Second one, we can make the size of words bigger or smaller. We can make the size of the text or the words present in the Word document to make it size bigger or smaller. For example, we can type letter A here. We can increase the size of letter A and also decrease the size of letter A. That means we can make a letter bigger or smaller. We can make a letter bigger or smaller without erasing it. We can make a letter bigger or smaller. That is the second feature. First feature, we can make attractive style. Second one, we can make a font size bigger or smaller. Third one, we can make words thicker, titled or underlined. So third one, we can make a word underlined, thicker or titled. For example, we can make a word thicker. We can make a word thicker. We can make a word like this. We can make a word thicker. Second one, we can make a word underlined or titled. So that means third point, make words thicker, underlined or titled. First one, apply attractive style for typing. That means apply attractive font type for typing text. Second one is we can make words the size of words bigger or smaller. And third one, make words thicker, titled and underlined. Then fourth one, we can change the color of the typed words. We can change the color of the typed words. That means we can change the color from black to red or green or white or orange, pink, etc. We can change the color of the text. That's the fourth point. So you can also, another one, you can also insert pictures, special effects in the text. We can also insert attractive pictures, special effects into this text. So these are the things a word can do. So once again, here, what are the things a word application can do? So the question, what are the things a word application can do? Word application can do. So what is the first point? Make attractive font. Make M-A-K-E, make attractive, A-T-T-R-A-C-T-I-V-E, attractive font for typing text. F-O-N-T, font for typing. T-Y-P-I-N-G, typing. So that is the first point. Make attractive font for typing. Then second one, what is the second point? Make the word size bigger or smaller. So make words size, S-I-Z-E, size, bigger, B-I-G-G-E-R, bigger or Yeah, make the word size bigger or smaller. Then third one, makes the word thicker, tightened and underlined. Make words thicker, tightened or underlined. UNDERLINED, underlined. Then fourth need, change the color of typed words. Change the color of typed words. Color of typed words. TYPED, typed words. So these are the things a word application can do. The next is how to open MS Office Word 2007. To work in MS Office Word 2007, you need to open it first, right? So let's see what are the steps for opening a MS Office Word. Simple, it has 4 steps. First, go to Start button, point to All Programs, then point to Microsoft Office, then click on Microsoft Office Word 2007. So here is the Start button. So first click Start button. Okay, then a list of programs appears. So point to All Programs. Point to All Programs. When we click or pointing All Programs, then point to Office. Which office? MS Office. And then click MS Office Word 2007. Only 4 steps. Once again, click on the Start button, point to All Programs, point to MS Office, click on the MS Office Word 2007. So a blank screen of Word 2007 opens. So what are the things we have learned today? So we started our new chapter 8. So first, what is the need for typing? So what are the need? A student has to type essays, stories, then poems or notes about a particular topic onto the computer. So that is the first need. And the second need, a person in office has to type letters. That is second use. And third one, a teacher types list of names of the students in the class. Then fourth one, a librarian types list of books in the library. Then which company owns Microsoft Office Word? Microsoft. Then next about Microsoft Office Word. So which is the most popular typing program? Microsoft Office Word. Then it has many features that makes your work very easy. So next we have discussed in Microsoft Office Word you can do what are the things? Apply attractive font, then to make a words bigger or smaller, then to make a words thicker, titled or underlined, then we can change the color of the typed words. So let's wind up this class. We will continue later. Thank you.